Welcome to this video on how to use word-of-mouth marketing to grow your business. Word-of-mouth marketing is a powerful tool that can help you reach new customers and build a loyal following. In this video, we'll explore what word-of-mouth marketing is, why it's important, and how you can use it to your advantage. So, what is word-of-mouth marketing? Simply put, it's the act of people talking about your business to others. It's the oldest form of marketing, and it's still one of the most effective. When people talk about your business, they are essentially endorsing it to their friends, family, and colleagues. This endorsement can be incredibly powerful, as people are more likely to trust the opinions of those they know and respect. Word-of-mouth marketing is important for a number of reasons. First, it's free. Unlike other forms of marketing, you don't have to pay for people to talk about your business. Second, it's highly targeted. When people talk about your business, they're likely to do so with others who are interested in your products or services. This means that word-of-mouth marketing can help you reach your ideal customers. Finally, word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly effective. According to a study by Nielsen, 92% of consumers trust recommendations from friends and family over all other forms of advertising. So, how can you use word-of-mouth marketing to your advantage? In the next segment, we'll explore some strategies for getting people talking about your business. One of the best ways to get people talking about your business is to create a remarkable customer experience. When customers have a great experience with your business, they are more likely to tell their friends and family about it. On the other hand, if they have a negative experience, they are even more likely to share that with others. So, how can you create a remarkable customer experience? First, make sure that your products or services are of high quality. This means that they should meet or exceed your customers' expectations. Second, provide excellent customer service. This includes being responsive to customer inquiries and complaints, and going above and beyond to make sure that your customers are satisfied. Third, create a welcoming and comfortable environment for your customers. This can include things like offering refreshments, providing comfortable seating, and playing pleasant music. Another way to create a remarkable customer experience is to surprise and delight your customers. This can be as simple as offering a free sample of a new product, or as elaborate as hosting a customer appreciation event. When you surprise and delight your customers, they're more likely to remember your business and tell others about it. Remember, creating a remarkable customer experience is just the first step in using word-of-mouth marketing to grow your business. In the next segment, we'll explore how to encourage your customers to share their experiences with others. Now that you've created a remarkable customer experience, it's time to encourage your customers to share their experiences with others. There are a number of strategies you can use to do this. First, make it easy for your customers to share their experiences. This can include adding social sharing buttons to your website, creating a hashtag for your business on social media, and encouraging customers to leave reviews on sites like Yelp and Google My Business. Second, incentivize your customers to share their experiences. This can include offering a discount or free product for customers who refer a friend, or hosting a contest where customers can win a prize for sharing their experience on social media. Third, create shareable content. This can include creating videos, blog posts, or infographics that highlight your products or services. When your customers share this content with their friends and family, it can help to spread the word about your business. Finally, don't be afraid to ask your customers to share their experiences. This can be as simple as asking them to leave a review or share a post on social media. When you ask your customers to share their experiences, it shows that you value their opinion and that you are committed to providing excellent customer service. Remember, word-of-mouth marketing is all about getting people talking about your business. By encouraging your customers to share their experiences, you can help to spread the word and attract new customers. In the next segment, we'll explore how to measure the success of your word-of-mouth marketing efforts. Now that you've implemented strategies to encourage your customers to share their experiences, it's important to measure the success of your word-of-mouth marketing efforts. This will help you to understand what's working and what's not, and make adjustments as needed. One way to measure the success of your word-of-mouth marketing efforts is to track the number of referrals you receive. This can include tracking the number of customers who refer a friend, as well as the number of new customers who come to your business as a result of a referral. Another way to measure the success of your word-of-mouth marketing efforts is to track your online reviews. This can include monitoring sites like Yelp and Google My Business for new reviews, as well as responding to any negative reviews in a timely and professional manner. You can also use social media analytics to track the success of your word-of-mouth marketing efforts. This can include monitoring the number of likes, shares, and comments on your social media posts, as well as tracking the number of followers you have on each platform. Finally, don't forget to ask your customers for feedback. This can include sending out surveys or conducting focus groups to get a better understanding of what your customers like and don't like about your business. This feedback can help you to make improvements and continue to provide a remarkable customer experience. Remember, word-of-mouth marketing is a long-term strategy that requires ongoing effort and attention. By measuring the success of your efforts, you can continue to refine your approach and attract new customers to your business.